Dear Chairman, dear speakers, and my loving brother and sister. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the name of Allah, the all-merciful, the all-compassionate, all praises, and I thank to the Allah, the Master of the universe. Peace and salutation be upon Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, his devoted servant, his great messenger. I bear witness there's no worthy of worship except Allah, and I bear witness that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is Allah's messenger. And I'm Bintang Muhammad ADHIM from Madrasah Sanawiyah Negeri Malang would like to say thank the chairman who has assigned me and provide the opportunity to deliver my speech entitled How Youth to Socialize in Islamic Rule. Dear brother and sister, association is kind of person's way to socialize with the environment. It will be a strange thing if there was someone who is able to live alone. Associating is an important need for human social pairs because that's human nature, as in Quran Surah Al-Hujurat, verse 13. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya ayuhan nas, inna khalaqnakum min dzakari wa unsa wa ja'alnakum syu'uban wa qabaila lita'arafu. Inna akramakum indallahi atqakum, innallaha alimun khabir. O mankind, surely we have created you from a male and female and made you nation and tribes, that you may get acquainted with one another on your lineage. Surely the most honorable of you in the presence of Allah is he who is most pious of you, not by your race or your lineage. Surely Allah is all-knowing, all-aware. But along with this time, the term for promiscuity emerged, which means promiscuity without rules. Whereas in Islam, these various kinds of rules of life have been regulated, one of which is about socializing. Islam does not forbid us to associate with anyone or with opposite sex, but Islam has rules that function to maintain boundaries between those who are not in mahram. What are the characteristics of teenagers who associate with Islam? Dear brother and sister, a teenager should maintain decency towards fellow Muslims, be kind in speech and polite in dress. In addition, ethics is also needed in socializing. We do not associate with those who are young or the same age, but also with those who are younger or older. Getting along Islamic perspective, we need to know what thing is allowed or not allowed to make in socialization, so that we do not fall to promiscuity. Some things that we must pay attention to associate are: first, keeping our eyes, as in word of Allah, Quran Surah An-Nur, verse 30 until 31. Second, covering our perfectly, especially for Muslimah, because women are naked. If she comes out, the devil will beautify her. Hadith Tirmidhi. Third, non-seclusion with non-muhrim. Fourth, remind each other in the terms of kindness. This is very important because when a Muslim people reminds another Muslim to do good, and when a Muslim people is reminded to do something good, the reward also follows the reminder. Thus, Islam regulates association, aiming that we take care of each other, respect, and love for the sake of Allah. Love or affection for Allah is proof of the sincerity of our faith in Allah. Dear brother and sister, in conclusion, wherever we are, with whom we hang out, we must be able to adopt according to Islamic religion. That's the speech I can deliver. Sorry if there are errors or omission. Thank you for your attention. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.